shit. What's up with y'all, man? Riwayy this thing, you feel me?
Take off the hat, punk.
Damn. Fresh and so clean waves, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing with me. Ooh, I like that, hell no. What's up with y'all, man? Riwayy this thing, you feel me? All seriousness, bro. Y'all know why y'all came here. Y'all here for another month. Story time. See, look, I'm not trying to curse no more, you feel me? I got, you know what I'm saying? I got people texting me, telling me, yo, stop cursing. You trying to be kid-friendly, in the building. But now, look, bro. Today's story time, y'all seen the title, y'all seen the thumbnail, y'all seen everything. The story time today is about my first fight. Now, bro, oh my God, I've been waiting to tell y'all this story. Ooh. So look, bro, the story take place in 7th grade. All right, so let me tell y'all one thing, all right? Right now, I got a little muscle on me, you feel me? I never was like that, all right? Prior to 7th grade, I used to go to this private school. And I could take a story from there, but bro, I wasn't really fighting back then. I was getting bullied, picked on type shit. The only thing I would really do is protect myself, you feel me? Try to protect myself, trying not to get jumped, you feel me? But that, I'm not gonna tell that count that as my first fight. My first for real fight takes place in 7th grade. All right, so 7th grade, I transferred from the private school to a public school, all right? I was a fat, chubby kid, you feel me? I was fat, I was chubby, I get picked on it. I ain't getting no biddies, man. I ain't got no biddies, you feel me? I ain't got no biddies. People calling me names. I had people looking at me like, damn, yo, lose some goddamn weight. Nigga, I didn't care. Hey, y'all see this, my nigga? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you feel me? I had people picking on me, telling me, yo, go lose some damn weight, bro. Hey, yo, go watch some Weight Watchers, you feel me? My nigga, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. That shit had a nigga in his feelings, you feel me? I was going home every day with a bad attitude. But yeah, fast forward to the first couple months. Mind you, this take place around like October. I'm the new kid. It's people still trying to get cool with me. It's people trying to like, see what type of vibe I got. See how cool I am, you feel me? See, you know what I'm saying? Just people just trying to figure me out type shit. Mind you, I don't like people to figure me out. I always try to be one step ahead of a nigga so he don't figure me out. At this point in time, I'm not cool with that many people. There was this one nerd ass nigga. I'm gonna call him a nerd. Okay, look, let's say his name was John. Alright, we just gonna say John. Alright, so John. Y'all think I was fat? That man John was like, I give it a cool 400 pounds on a good day. You feel me? He was a cool 400 pounds on a good day. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, the man was big, bro. He built like this. You feel me? He built like that. I'm like, bro, I should not be getting bullied on by a man that looks like that, right? Because mind you, I kind of look like that, but I'm not his size, my nigga. That nigga, he's one of those. He a Jimmy ass nigga from fucking GTA, my nigga, no cap. John, at first, he tried to be cool with me. He was on my dick. The nigga kept on talking to me, nigga kept on punching me and shit, saying, yo, just trying to get my attention. I wasn't going for it, bro. Mind you, this man John, nobody liked him, bro. Everybody in the middle school hated this man because he was annoying. He always talked too much. He always wanted attention, you feel me? He always wanted people to think that he was some hard nigga, like some hard body ass, like a motherfucking DMX ass nigga coming your shit like, bitch, I'll beat the shit out you. You feel me? The nigga was on that bullshit. I wasn't going for it, you feel me? I wasn't going for it. This man, he bugging me for months straight, just keep bugging me. It get to the point where a nigga just like, damn, bro, I don't even bother this man. I don't even talk to this man. Why the hell is he doing this to me, right? So around this time, it's like almost the end of school. See, where I used to live, we got out of school June around that time. So it's like April, May around this time. And the whole year, I've been dealing with this man trying to agitate me every day. I mean, the nigga poking me and shit. The nigga, you know what I'm saying? The nigga poking me. The nigga fucking spitting on me and shit. Hey, mind you, I'm a 7th grader. Knowing what I know now, if a nigga was to spit on me, bruh, bitch. You feel me? No cap. You feel me? So yeah, knowing what I know now, that nigga gonna get popped. No cap. That nigga not gonna survive that shit. That nigga not, hey. I know I said I wouldn't cuss, but I'm sorry, YouTube. That shit engraved in my vocabulary. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I would get the busting a nigga right now if he was to do that shit to me, right? But now I was letting it slide in middle school. I was letting it slide. I was letting the nigga do whatever he wanted. Cause I was a good boy at the time. I just came from private school. I'm not trying to get no suspension. I'm not trying to get expelled. I'm not trying to get no type of trouble, you feel me? Up to this point, I never got in no type of trouble. I never did. And because I was a young classy nigga, you know? I was a young classy nigga. Hey, last video, if y'all seen, you know what I'm saying, at the end of the video, I be wearing my Cartiers, you know what I'm saying? Call me Professor Ree in the building, you feel me? Hey, I was a young classy nigga pulling up to school with some fancy shoes. Bitch, I was pulling up in some Walmart shoes. I had some Walmart shoes in school, but hey man, that's besides the point. But actually though, that's one of the things he would try to get in my head with. He would try to get in my head with the fact that I didn't have shoes that he did or some shit like that. Bro, mind you, now, I got shoes. I got really nice shoes because I got my money up. I got my bread up. I can afford that shit now. But before, bro, you know what I'm saying? I was in a whole different position than I'm in now, you feel me? I just didn't have the trends, you know what I'm saying? I didn't have what everybody had. I didn't have. So, like, that's the things that niggas would just look out for and just pick on your shit. Just be like, yo, damn, bro, what the fuck you got on your feet, bro? What the fuck you got on your feet, bro? You feel me? So, here's where the story get real juicy, you feel me? Woo! The way my school had it set up was that the whole 7th grade, the whole 7th grade has their own lunch period, the whole 6th grade had their own lunch period, the whole 8th grade had their own lunch period. And we got one grade in one small ass cafeteria, you know what I'm saying? Shit bound to get hectic. You feel me? Cause I'm sitting at the table, right? I'm sitting at the table. I'm eating lunch. He's sitting right next to me. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie to you. I was feeling hella uncomfortable. I wanted to tell that nigga, yo, move, bitch. Move, bitch. You feel me? But look, man. I was a young classy nigga. Like I said, I was polite. You feel me? I wasn't trying to get in nobody's head. I wasn't trying to start no trouble with nobody. I finished my lunch. The nigga keep picking at my lunch. He fat as shit. Keep picking at my lunch, my nigga. That nigga picking at my shit look like a motherfucking walrus and shit. Nigga picking on my shit. So I'm like, damn, bro. I'm like, what the fuck is you doing? Nigga picking on my lunch. It's a nigga across from me, right? He was hopping on the hate bandwagon. He was hopping on the weight bandwagon to me, right? The nigga kept on calling me Lmao or something. Like, bro, 7th grade, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Niggas had some weak ass jokes, you feel me? Niggas had some weak ass packs. That shit was not funny. Nigga calling me Lmao. Thinking back on that shit was not funny at all, bro. Nigga said Lmao. Nigga called me Lmao. Niggas think that shit funny. But yeah, he was hopping on the hate bandwagon calling me Lmao. I got this fat ass nigga to my right, motherfucking picking at my food and shit, calling me a bitch, all types of shit. I'm like, damn. I'm like, so y'all ganging up on me like that? Mind you, the nigga that was calling me Lmao, he was not in my 3rd period class. After lunch, we had 3rd period. He was not in my 3rd period class, so I didn't have no beef to deal with him. But this nigga right here had to get dealt with, you feel me? You feel me? Stupid bitch. You feel me? But yeah, he had to get dealt with. The nigga keep picking at my shit, and then boom. The niggas, we about to line up, right? We about to line up. Everybody from my class, my teacher comes down to go get us, right? Everybody from my class start lining up and shit, about to go to her class. This nigga right here, right? He grabbed me on the neck like these. He go like this. You know what I'm saying? He grabbed me on the neck. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you? I pushed it up. I pushed this nigga like that. You feel me? I'm like, fuck off me, bitch. You feel me? The nigga he already in my head. You know what I'm saying? He already in my head. I'm already riled up. They had to pull us apart. Nigga, I ain't gonna lie to you. I was ready. You know what I'm saying? I was ready to square up with the nigga right there and then, you feel me? But I just gave it a moment. They set us apart, and then I went to the office. I stayed at the office for a cool 10 minutes because they just wanted me to cool down. By the time I come back to class, I went into class to drop my stuff off. And then I went back out to class, you know what I'm saying? Because all my friends was lined up against the locker and shit. So I went back out to class. And then my friend, let's call him Joe. My friend Joe was like, yo, John saying your mother a bitch, saying your mother this, your mother that. Oh, for real? I'm like, oh, for real? You know what I'm saying? Oh, for real? I don't know what happened to me, bro. You know what I'm saying? I saw all black, just like these. You feel me? I saw all black. You know what I'm saying? It's go time. I'm ready for war. You feel me? I'm ready for war. I'm ready to go crazy. Joe told me, said, hey, John said your mother a bitch. John said your mother sucked his dick. I'm like, huh? That nigga said that? So, hey, look, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm a young feisty nigga at this point. I'm a young feisty nigga. I'm trying to go. I'm trying to have his neck, nigga. I'm trying to have his neck. You know what I'm saying? He could come here. No, hold on, shit, bro. I'm trying to beat the shit out of him, okay? I'm trying to beat the shit out this bitch, you feel me? So, I black out at this point. I turned the right corner. I see the nigga standing there at the desk. I gave it a second. I went to my desk. We had to sit down and take some notes real quick. My teacher stepped out the class. Boom! My teacher stepped out the class. She had to go talk to another teacher. I'm like, oh, for real? I get up. I straight get up. I walk over to him. I'm like, oh, for real? You said my mother what? I said, you said my mother what? The nigga was quiet. The nigga was just laughing in my face and shit. I'm like, bet. You feel me? So look. Straight push his ass. You feel me? I straight push his bitch ass. The nigga was stagnant. The nigga was trying to, you know what I'm saying, gather himself. That push blindsided his shit, nigga. He fell on the motherfucking desk and shit. Nigga got scared. As soon as he fell on the desk, it's game time, bitch. It's game time. I see the nigga on the desk. You know what I'm saying? Bitch. All of a sudden, I did that shit for no reason. You know what I'm saying? I remember that shit like it was yesterday. Everybody recording, everybody screaming. They're like, oh shit, world star. Oh shit, world star, goddamn. Everybody going crazy recording this shit. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that nigga, the teachers came in, they rushed. The nigga did not hit me not one fucking time. I dominated this bitch. You know what I'm saying? I dominated his shit. You remember that bitch ass nigga? I ain't get no hit. He ain't get no fucking hit. That nigga was sick. He was sick. You feel me? But yeah, bro, the teacher's rushing in. Motherfucking this big ass teacher I had. He was like 6'9". That nigga was big as shit. That nigga grabbed me like a bear. That nigga said, a motherfucking linebacker in this bitch. He grabbed my shit. That nigga fucking picked me up and threw me up type shit. He was bleeding this shit from his nose, you feel me? He was walking out. He was like crying and laughing at the same time. Like, this nigga, I never know no weird ass nigga like that, bro. Like, he wanted to be some type of demon or some shit. Nigga was like, you know what I'm saying? Nigga weird as shit. Yeah, bro. I got suspended for like a week and a half. You know what I'm saying? I got suspended for a week and a half. Hey, at that point in time, I come back to school. Niggas is hyping me up. Bro, this is the one thing that's toxic about fights, yo. The fights is not good for your record, kids. Don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. Don't do those. You know what I'm saying? If you do get in a fight, you know what I'm saying? When you come back to school, you that nigga. You know, you that nigga. You that nigga, right? You right there? You that nigga, you know what I'm saying? When you come back to school, niggas looking at you like, damn, that's the nigga that beat him? Mind you, because nobody liked him at the time. He was annoying as shit. He was just causing hella trouble. I come back to school, niggas like, yo, that's Reed. That nigga that beat the shit out of John, you feel me? He beat the shit out of John, oh shit. That's that nigga, you feel me? Niggas dapping me up. I don't even know, yo. I don't even know nobody. Niggas dapping me up. I'm like, already. You know what I'm saying? Already. You feel me? I'm saying, already, bro, I don't even know who the fuck these niggas are. I had random niggas I never spoke to a day in my life, like, congratulating me for beating somebody. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, I was on cloud fucking 9, nigga. I felt good as shit. I was like, oh, I did my thing. You know what I'm saying? I beat the shit out his bitch ass. After that shit, I think that nigga transferred schools because I ain't seen him again. And I have another story time coming about how that nigga tried to take my girl. But hey, man, we gonna talk about that shit later on. That nigga tried to take my bitch. I will never forget that shit. That was also one of the reasons I beat the shit out of him. But that nigga left, you know what I'm saying? He left the school. Oh. I ain't gonna lie to you. The nigga had texted me. He said his dad had a shotgun waiting for me, right? That's what he said. After that shit, I never heard from that nigga again. No, I'm sorry. Nigga was capping. He was a young capper. You know what I'm saying? He's one of those. He cannot be trusted. He's a soldier boy ass nigga. You feel me? He's a flight. No cap. You feel me? But yeah, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed the motherfucking story time. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the story time. I hope y'all come back. Say nah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the story time. I hope y'all I hope y'all come back again for some more lit motherfucking content. I got so many damn story times. Hey, look at me, my nigga. You see this? You see these eyes, my nigga? I've been through it all. You feel me? I've been through it all. So hey, I got the whole world to tell. You know what I'm saying? Come my way, nigga. I got everything. You know what I'm saying? I make that shit lit. You feel me? So hey, holla at me, bro. Holla at me what y'all want to hear from next. I got reactions. I got anything you want, bro. I got it. You feel me? I got it, nigga. Tune into my motherfucking basketball series. That bitch getting lit. You feel me? I'm playing randoms. I'm dunking for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Tune into that series, bro. I'm not letting up. I'm going down to Miami and I'm going crazy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. It's been your boy. You feel me? Riwayy out this thing, shorty.